Hi everyone, welcome back to Hacka. I'm Rizwan Ramzan Ahmad and this is our YouTube marketing series continuation. In this video, we will discuss how proper video YouTube upload and before that, you can YouTube video upload first and foremost, you YouTube video produce YouTube video produce step by step complete details video link you can check it out over here. So primary obviously idea find script completely up to you. Once you script production video produce once you producing you edit the final output video just imagine the video just buy okay. Next step is you already YouTube channel account create optimization now the next step is you first video channel video upload simple just Google YouTube Creator Studio open so YouTube Creator Studio top right create option click upload videos, go live, new playlist, new podcast options so upload videos click screen pop-up files choose select files click computer local drive upload video just select it, open click video upload another method create directly videos upload option click screen select files select pop-up click same method local drive videos click choose video open click automatically upload so just for example video example sample out video click choose so automatically video upload bottom uploading percentage seconds left so this simple videos YouTube upload YouTube video upload just video choose title, thumbnail, description so YouTube video upload detailed videos continuation so if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss out the next videos because you need to grow your account and YouTube channel. Until we meet next time, stay tuned and zero preachers.